Okay, this is the largest journal in the winter journal collection, and it is approximately 5.5 by 8.5. Its closure is this fun little ticking fabric. It's not real ticking fabric, it's a nice lightweight with just the ticking look printed on it, tied in a little bow. This is not attached, so you can keep it as your closer or leave it without a closure, whatever you like to do. On the cover I have this nice little felt heart that I've hand embroidered with this pretty little snowflake and some blanket stitching around. There's lots of lace, the bunny picture, and the quote, and those are printables by Artie Mays and Mrs. Coggs Crafts, so I will have their information and their links to their shops down below. And the cover, front and back, is stitched with lots of different fabrics. It's a nice chunky journal and has lots of goodies hanging off the edges, little charms, fabrics, little raggedy leaves, and of course this fun pom-pom trim. When we go inside, we have inside the cover is a little journal, extra journaling space for lists or what have you. There's a pocket here. Just lift that up to keep it closed. It has this cute little snowflake dangles inside and another bunny. Here we have an extra little page there, pretty blue jay. And on this page we have this fun fabric pocket and another of the felt hearts with the embroidery. And this has two pockets, so it has this little card here, journaling card. It says chili. And then this is fun. This has a tiny pocket on the back with little tags inside. Again, most of the printables I've used were Artie Mays' A Winter's Tale. Love that kit. And that is this as well. And I added a little string and button closure, and inside is another small tag. Ledger paper with the pom-pom trim. It'll flip in case you'd like to add some extra paper, extra page. And some fun crinkly vintage typewriter paper. And here is a clip with all these fun little bits and the rabbit. It has the paper clip on the back, and that was holding this journaling card in place. And we have some nice ruffled fabric on the edge there. Pocket here. Another journaling card. And a flip here. Some more fabric tabs. And this is fun. This is another journal flip out space. It's got a pocket on the front with that little card there. And we have this paper clip here that holds it shut. And it has some extra paper and another pocket there with an extra journal card. Lots of space for writing and journaling, memory keeping. The center is this envelope pocket. What I might do with this, because this is a little difficult to access, but you could still do it that way, I might close this and open up the top so that I could put a tall tag inside of that pocket. I've done that in other journals. I just didn't do that for this particular one because it already kind of has a lot going on. And that cute tag there. And you might recognize some of these. I've done them in the 100-day challenge. I've been making a lot of extra tabs, tags, everything, inclusions for junk journals. So if you want to follow me along on that journey, you'll see all of the items that I've made so far. And this is another piece from the Artie Mays collection. And another journaling tag here with spot there for journaling. And of course you could journal on the back. And another of these fun paper clips. And, oh, that was flipped to that. That's just an extra journal card. Oh, it goes this way. And this is a very pretty watercolor image. That is by Job's Journals. I'll put his information down below. I don't know if he still has that collection in his shop, but I will still give you his information because he has lots of cute things besides that. In this pocket we have these two tags. And then this flips up for more journaling space there and flips down for more here. And we have another pocket with two more little journaling tags and card, more ruffled fabric, and we have a fabric tip-in with another of those felt hearts, some layered fabrics behind it, flips up for the ledger paper behind, and this is another envelope from the Artie Mays collection. I do not have anything inside there, but that's pretty. And then clipped behind there is another journaling tag, journaling card, tag, however you want to call it. And then the last page in the book, back cover, has this multi-pocket here with a printable, digital printable from Dear Julie Julie. She has a full set of these flinch cards with numbers 1 through 31, so you could use them as a December daily numbers or anything you like that. And then this is, I believe this is Russian, little flashcard, vocabulary flashcard that was appropriate to a winter journal for all is calm and quiet. And another journal card there. And then in the pocket here, have another extra card there for journaling. And that is that one.